Hello world and welcome guys. In today's video we want to show you top voice commands for Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Hey, be quiet! First, let me introduce you. The Hey Mercedes voice assistant is part of automaker's MBUX infotainment system. Hey Mercedes was first used back in 2019 in the A-Class and it can be currently found in the most 2020 and 2021 model years. With this smart assistant, you can control a number of functions ranging from the navigation system to the radio and the air conditioning very simply and intuitively through the voice commands. But let's see how does it actually works, and whatever, it isn't simply easier to operate all of these functions old school way. We all know that voice assistants are far from perfect. And because my best friend is a Siri, I asked her for a little help. Hey Siri, can you help me with the interview?
I am all yours. You are the boss.
I told you we are the best friends. So let's get started. So let's start with some basic questions.
Hey Mercedes, how much do you cost?
Catching.
Siri, behave. I mean basic questions. Just be polite.
Hey Mercedes, what time is it?
It's 6:50 p.m.
Oh well, just continue.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what is my average consumption?
The average consumption since start adds up to 10.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Since reset, 11.4 liters per 100 kilometers.
Not bad at all.
Hey Mercedes, stock price for Microsoft?
The market is closed today, but the price for Microsoft Corporation is $299.72.
Fancy.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what is the weather in Paris?
Currently it is cloudy in Paris with a temperature of 19 degrees. During the night it will be cloudy with a low of 17 and a high of 21 degrees.
Okay, now I know the stock price for a Microsoft and weather in Paris. Try to ask something about competition.
Okay.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what do you think about BMW?
The same as you do, otherwise we would not be sitting here.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what do you think about Audi?
Super, business is all about competition.
It's boring.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
tell me a joke.
Sorry, my engineers were German.
Another one.
Hey Mercedes, tell me a joke.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
I love German jokes, but 7, 8, 9. Okay Siri, please just continue with your interview.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
open roller sun blinds.
Okay, I'm opening the roller sun blinds.
Siri, I can't stand the light. Close it. I haven't asked you to open sun blinds.
Hey Mercedes, close roller sun blinds.
I'm closing the roller sun blinds.
God, thanks.
Hey Mercedes, do you believe in God?
What matters for me is what you believe.
Don't ask religious questions.
Okay. I feel shame. I don't know what to ask next.
Try some personal questions.
Hey Mercedes, are you a man or a woman?
Mercedes is a girl's name.
Hey Mercedes, How old are you?
Young, old, it's all relative.
Mercedes is a girl's name and you are asking on her age? Just keep going.
Hey Mercedes, what's your favorite color?
I love green, especially traffic lights.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
what do you eat?
Pizza's always good.
Thanks Siri, you are best interviewer on the planet. What about famous people?
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
who is the director of Mercedes?
Ola Kalinius has been CEO since May 2019.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
who is Donald Trump?
Here is what I found on Wikipedia. Donald John Trump is an American media personality and businessman who served as the 45th President of the United States from 2017 to 2021. Born and raised in Queens, New York City, Trump graduated from the University of Pennsylvania with a bachelor's degree in 1968. Should I continue reading?
No. Hey Mercedes, who is Siri?
Here is what I found on Wikipedia. Siri is a virtual assistant that is part of Apple Incorporated's iOS, iPad OS, Watch OS, Mac OS, and tvOS operating systems. The assistant uses voice queries, gesture-based control, focus tracking and a natural language user interface to answer questions, make recommendations, and perform actions by delegating requests to a set of internet services. Should I continue?
No, thank you. She knows you. Try some math.
Hey Mercedes, what is 1 British pound in US dollar?
1 British pound is equivalent to about 1.38 US dollars.
Hey Mercedes, 5 plus 5 equals.
That's 10.
Hey Mercedes, 500 divided by 5 million equals.
The answer is about 0.
Hey Mercedes, 0 divided by 0 equals.
Huh, are you trying to break my brain? You can't divide 0 by 0.
She is clever.
Hey Mercedes, do you think I'm pretty?
If you're as beautiful as your voice sounds, of course.
Hey Mercedes, adjust ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Now I will start with my own questions. Ivan, I will put you on mute.
Hey Mercedes, where do babies come from?
From lots of love.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
will you marry me?
If our honeymoon is a road trip.
Hey Mercedes, what are you wearing?
What's on the inside is more important.
I love you.
Hey Siri, that's enough. Behave.
Hey Mercedes, I love you.
Hey Siri, stop it. Sorry guys, at this point I have to stop it. So, there you have it. AI is getting smarter every day and Mercedes proved that. You can control the whole infotainment system just with your voice. Of course, almost every single other car manufacturer has their own smart assistant, but I think Mercedes is far easiest to use. It understands you well at any circumstances, well as long as you speak English. Mercedes done a great job here. I cannot wait to see what's coming next. Hey Mercedes is the best car voice assistant on the market right now. Period. Let us know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and see you in the next one.